Okay, now how to get the waist height equivalent to the distance of the feet here. Okay, if this feet is moving this way, and the box, this height should go down. The waist should go down, right? So this is how it's supposed to be, right? I mean, in a way that I'm making it. So this FD means foot distances. So it means that this distance between this box and this box, you get the X position. This is center, okay, center, and then X position is how much times 2. So it should be the same distance on this. So this is distance, okay, FD, foot distance. And then WH means the waist height. This is the waist height, okay. The height of the waist is around 1.2. This is the default value, okay. So from there we go for AFD. AFD means actual foot distance. We get the distance from foot R box here, okay, and then get distance to foot L box, this one, okay. This foot and this foot, set a value to it, okay. Find a distance to it, and then you print it out, and you can see how much the distance is going to give. And then AWH, actual waist height, okay, how much actual waist is going to be whenever there's a changes on the foot, right? So the formula is that you get the waist height first, okay. Here, this is the waist height, this one, okay. And then you take the FD, foot distance, okay. So this foot distance is, by default, is this one. And then it's minus this one. How much the distance from the, if it's more, okay, it's supposed to be more, it's supposed to be more. If this box is going this way, right, the distance should be more. So when it's more, it should give a negative number. That negative number is going to minus with this one, the height. So waist H means this one. This is the name of waist H. Dot position Z, equivalent to AWH, actual width height, actual waist height. Sorry, actual waist height. That's how it's supposed to be. So if it's like a triangle, right? Okay, if the distance is the bottom of the triangle is more, and then the top should go down. So whatever the excessive value from the original, is going to minus the height. Yeah, that's how it works. I've tested it, and then it's working. So if it's not practical enough, you have to use another way. But for now, this is the best I can get. The other one is that you can also use some sort of bone here. You take this bone, put this bone here and bone here, right? And if it has some movements, and then the bone is going to go down like that, and it's going to get this box to follow it too. It's also easier. The other method, easier method without using this one. Yeah.